Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this video as well. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I'm just talking about uh, Azure here, which is AZ100. Okay, so guys, if you want to learn Azure, you should have the basic idea about cloud computing before going for that certification or that course, and then only it will be easy for you guys to understand all the concepts, because until you understand you don't understand I mean, until or unless you don't understand the basic concept, that is a foundation of anything, like then only it will be easy, or it will be good for you guys to understand in deep. So I'm just trying to do the same thing in this video. I'm sharing about the basic concept of what is cloud computing, and what does it mean, how it works, and how it is structured basically. And after that I will be talking about computing. Basically there are three core elements in cloud computing. One is computing itself, networking, and storage. So if you have the good understanding, basic understanding of computing, storage, and networking, then only it will be easy for you guys to manage the cloud services, or you can work with them. So let me begin with this. I hope this video will be informative. If it is informative, and if you feel like it is good and you got something to know, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment on this video, and share this video. For more videos, I have uploaded some around 30 to 40 videos on Azure configuration, multiple configuration already. If you want, you can subscribe my channel. This is the URL of my channel here, or my name here. So by this name itself you can subscribe and you can find out lots of videos on Azure. So guys, as you can see, what is cloud service here, and what do I mean by cloud service? So first of all, you should understand what is cloud service, then you should go for Azure, because it is all about cloud service only. So let me talk about here. So guys, first of all, cloud service is referred to any IT service that are provisions and accessed from a cloud computing provider. So the meaning is very simple here. I will tell you, it is any kind of cloud computing service basically. And you can let me take highlighter here. Okay, sorry. So it is any IT service that are provisions and access from a cloud service provider. So there will be cloud computing provider basically. So just like ISP who provides internet service, there are lots of CSP available, or cloud computing provider, or cloud service provider basically. CCP is like cloud computing provider, or CSP cloud service provider. So they will provide you all kind of services, and this is a broad term that incorporates all delivery and services model of cloud computing and related solutions. So it will give you complete solution, complete services whichever we get from traditional data centers, and the cloud services are delivered over the internet. So the difference is like it will be on internet and will be available to access globally. You can access anywhere from internet or through internet. They are not locally and physically available at data center or on premises. So this is basically basic difference between traditional data center and cloud. So cloud will be on somewhere on internet. You will not be having physical availability of it, just like data center, traditional data center. And they provide same service just like traditional data centers, and cloud computing is the delivery of computing services like servers, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence, and so on. So just like traditional data centers, cloud computing will provide all kind of computing services. And apart from this guys, cloud service provider, CSP, is known as cloud service provider, are companies who offers network services, infrastructure, or business applications in the cloud. And this is what the basic infrastructure of cloud computing here. So this is your infrastructure like office or home, from wherever you want to access services, and you will be connected through internet. And this is CSP service provider, cloud service provider, and they will provide you IaaS, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, and storage, that is known as FaaS. Okay, this one. I will tell you what does it mean in next slide. So this is a basic concept of cloud computing here, or cloud services. Okay, now uh, types of cloud services. So there are couple of cloud services provided by cloud service providers. So first is IaaS, which is known as. So in this a bit tell about, so there are basically four category. Okay, one is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, and function as a service. And there are also, I mean, these are sometimes called like cloud computing stack because they build on top of one another. So let me tell about the very first one, like IaaS is the most basic category. It is a very basic category, cloud computing, that allow you to rent infrastructure, servers or VM from cloud provider on pay-as-you-go service basis. So basically you can take all those things, servers and all, on the basis of rent, and you will have to pay as much as you will use. You will not have to pay much, you will have to pay the way you use, or the amount of service you take from cloud. So this is the basic concept of infrastructure as a service. Next one is platform as a service. So platform as a service, like it is also a supply on demand environment for developing, testing and delivering, managing software applications, and it is designed to quickly create web or mobile applications without worrying about setting up or managing the infrastructure of servers, storage, network and database needed for deployment. So you can take this kind of platform also, platform as a service. You just need to take subscription of this, and you can deploy mobile services or software applications and all. You do not need to worry about servers and all. Next one is software as a service. So it is also a method for delivering software application over the internet as per the demand and on subscription basis. So you can again subscribe any subscription as per the requirement, and it helps you to manage the software application and underlying infrastructure and handle any maintenance, software upgrades and security patchings. So you will have little bit control over this. Next one is FaaS, which is known as function as service. So instead of handling the hassles of virtual servers, containers and applications runtimes, they upload narrowly functions block of codes. So in this they will be using, I mean, that developers certain codes and set them to be triggered by certain events. So in this condition, what will happen? You will have to pay very less. As much as you use that much only you will have to pay. This is the best advantage of this one. It doesn't consume infrastructure as a service resource until an event occurs, reducing pay per use fee only. So these are the basic category of services, cloud services provided by cloud service provider. The next topic is cloud types. Okay, so what are the types of cloud? So basically there are four types of cloud. One is private, public, hybrid and community. So the very first in public cloud, by name itself it is saying what does it mean. So whole computing infrastructure is located on the premises of a cloud computing company that offer the cloud services. So this is managed by certain organizations who is providing cloud services, and they will offer cloud services. Okay, that entire management will be done by this team, this organization. Next one, private. So hosting all your computing infrastructure yourself. So you have a company, then you will be having control, you will be having all the control over the infrastructure by yourself, and it is not shared. That public will be shared for people to use it, but in this it is not shared to anyone. The security and control level is highest while using a private network, so you will have to use higher security. Okay, next one is hybrid. So hybrid is a combination of both, using both private and public clouds depending on the on their purposes. So it is obviously depend on the requirement. You host your most important application on your own servers to keep them more secure and secondary application elsewhere. See, for example, you have organization, you have certain data on your data center to be used by your organization itself, and you have certain things to make available for public. Okay, so that is a concept of hybrid. You can use both the things, I mean both the type of clouds, but it will be costly. Cloud. Next one, community cloud. So a community cloud is shared between organization with a common goal, or that fit into a specific community, like a professional community, a geographic community, etc. So the meaning is very simple in this. It will be shared by multiple organizations, and they will have common goal to share something for community. Okay, now what are the uses of cloud computing? So guys, today a variety of organizations ranging from tiny startup to government agencies are embracing this technology for the following. See, where we can use cloud computing, we can use like to create new app and services, as well as a store, backup and recover data, hosting websites and blogs, stream audio and video, deliver on demand software, analyze data for patterns, make predictions. So these are the basic use of cloud computing, so where we can use. So guys, in this video this much information only I'm sharing, and I hope this video will be informative. It is informative, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. URL is here, or you can search by my name itself. There are more than 40 videos I have already uploaded, very good, I mean couple of configurations, and the next video I will be talking about the main concept of Microsoft Azure. In that there will be couple of things like products and all, and the compute, basically what is compute, then networking is storage. So if you subscribe, then definitely you will be getting all the updates. So till then, bye bye and have a nice time guys.